Om Swastiastu. Good afternoon. So today I will explain to you about one of Pisa'S problem, which is about Unit 25. It is about the best car. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Komang Deena Prasanti Dewi with name 21130110022 from 5B Mathematics Education. So the problem is a car magazine uses a rating system to evaluate new cars and gives the award of the car of the year to the car with the highest total score. 5 new cars are being evaluated and the ratings are shown in the table below. For the ratings of car CA, M2, SE, N1 and car KK, you can see on the table below. The ratings are interpreted as follows. 3 points equals to excellent, 2 points equals to good, and 1 point equals to fair. So the questions are, the first question is to calculate the total score for a car. The car magazine uses the following rule, which is a weighted sum of the individual scores for it. So the formula is total score equals to in bracket 3 times S plus F plus E plus T. So calculate the total score for car CA. So the next question is the manufacturers of car CA thought the rule for the total scores was unfair. Write down a rule for calculating the total score so that car CA will be the winner. Your rules should include all 4 of the variables and you should write down your rule by filling in positive numbers in the 4 space in the equations below. The formula is total score equals to blah 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 times S plus blah 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 times F plus blah 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 times E plus blah 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 times T. Okay, let's resolve the question step by step. For the first question is about total score for car CA. According to the given rule, total score equals to in bracket 3 times S plus F plus E plus T. We know that score for car CA are S equals to 3 for safety features, F equals to 1 for fuel efficiency, E equals to 2 for external appearance, and T equals to 3 for internal fittings. Next, we're substituting the values of that score into the formula before. So we can get the total score for car CA is equals to in bracket 3 times 3 because the value of F is equals to 3 plus 1 because the value of F is equals to 1 plus 2 because the value of E is equals to 2 and plus 3 because the value of T is equals to 3. So we can calculate, then we got the total score for the car CA is equals to 15. Okay, we move to the next questions about creating a rule for car CA to be the winner. Now let's create a new rule where car CA will be the winner. We want to assign weightings to each factor S, F, E, and T so that car CA gets the highest total score among all cars. Let's assume new weights for each factors that make car CA the winner is total score equals to A times S plus B times F plus C times E plus D times E. To ensure car CA wins, we need to assign higher weights to its strength. So looking at the scores for car CA are 3, 1, 2, and 3. It has high scores in safety features and internal fittings. Next, let's assign higher weights to S and T and lower weights to F and E. We are looking for the points difference of each car. So for car CA to win, its difference must be positive. So car CA minus M7 equals to A minus B plus D, and car CA minus ST equals to negative C plus D. Car CA minus N1 equals to 2A minus 2B minus C, and then last car CA minus car KK equals to negative B minus C plus D. So that the inequalities for its difference is as follows: A plus D greater than B, B greater than C, 2A greater than 2B plus C, and then B greater than B plus C. From that inequalities, we can find the coefficient of A, B, C, and D. For example, B equals to 1 and C equals to 2. Then, we got 2A greater than 2B plus C, 2A greater than 2 times 1 because the value of B is equals to 1 plus 2 because the value of C is 2. So we got the value of A is greater than 2. Next, we will find the value of D by D greater than B plus C, B greater than 1 plus 2 because the value of B is 1 and the value of C is 2. So we got D greater than 3. So we can take the value of A greater than 2 and the value of D greater than 3. For example, let's take A equals to 4 and D equals to 5. So that a possible rule to make RCA the winner could be total score equals to 4 times S plus 1 times F plus 2 times E plus 5 times D because the value of A is equals to 4, value of B equals to 1, value of C equals to 2, and value of D equals to 5. To demonstrate that the modified scoring rule makes car CA the winner, let's calculate the total scores for all cars using both the original rule and the modified rule. Then we can compare the total scores to confirm that under the modified rule, car CA achieves the highest score. So we know the given ratings: car CA 3, 1, 2, and 3, car M2 2, 2, 2, and 2, car SP 3, 1, 3, and 2, car N1 1, 3, 3, and 3, car KK 3, 2, 3, and 2. So we know the formula of original rule is total score equals to in bracket 3 times S plus F plus E plus D, and then the formula of modified rule is total score equals to 4 times S plus 1 times F plus 2 times E plus 5 times D. So let's calculate the total scores for each car using both the original and modified rules. First, by original rule, the total score for car CA is equals to 15. The total score for car M2 is equals to 12. The total score for car SP is equals to 16, and the total scores for car N1 equals to 12, and then the total score for car KK is equals to 17. Next, by modified rule, the total score for car CA is equal to 32. The total score for car M2 is equals to 24. The total score for car SP is equals to 29, and then the total score for car N1 equals to 28, and then the total of car KK is equal to 30. Now, comparing the total scores obtained from both rules, we find that under the modified rule, car CA achieves the highest total score of 32. Car CA has a significantly higher score compared to for the highest score among all cars, proving that the modified rule makes car CA one of the winners as a request. So that's all about one of Pisa'S problem, which is about the best car. Thanks for watching my video and see you next time. Om Santi 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 Om.